first person shooter, I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap, this Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me, I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up, lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the location, I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3, nigga, it's just big me, nigga, bum. What? I'm really like that, and your best work is a light pack, nigga. Prince outlived Mike Jack, nigga, bum. For all your dogs getting buried, that's a K with all these 9s. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga, bum.
Dope dealer selling